Yo, what's up guys? Another amazing video, and today is Saturday. We do something special every Saturday, and in case you don't know, you're just joining this channel. My name is Aaron. I make videos about tech, forex trading, finance, building online business, basically self-development, becoming a better person. I'm also sharing my journey to success, like big time, so you guys can learn from it. So if you're just joining this family, make sure to subscribe. Like all the things I said in which we do in this channel, make sure to subscribe right now. I'll give you 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
If you have done that, it's simple. Just click the bell icon as well to get notified and like this video. So it's another amazing Saturday, and what we do every Saturday is basically a trade review / breakdown. So what we're going to do, basically, I'm just going to break down all the trades for the past week, both the trades I took, both the trade you might have taken, because most of the trades I'll be showing here, maybe you took it as well. So we're just going to look at different pairs as well that you guys suggest. So write in the comment section what you want to see, which other pairs you want to see. So it's not basically like a strategy video. We also talk about psychology. Then you look at, it's basically the weekly chart. So even though you are watching this at a past week or anything, it's still very important because price always repeats itself. So you'll be learning a lot from the video if you make sure to stick to the end. It's probably not going to be up to 20 minutes, so 15 minutes or 18 minutes or however long this video is really going to be, is going to help you. So why not just sit down, chill? If you don't have the time, stop the video, wait until later when you have the time to watch it, because you learn from it. You can also get your notes. I've gotten a lot of testimonials from the weekly review video where I also forecast the next week. People trade it and they make money from it, so they learn a lot. So make sure to stick around to the end, very important. So I'll go into my laptop now and go through all the trades, and let's see how much money was on the table last week, and also how much money you can stand to make next week by doing forecasts. There's a lot of things happen. Bitcoin went up, elections, US election. I'll be giving you guys tips on how to go about this US election stuff, Donald Trump, which coins to buy, and my thoughts about it. So we're going to do a lot in this video, so make sure to stick to the end. Subscribe if you have not, and see you guys in my laptop now. So guys, I'm in my laptop screen right now. I'm shirtless. I took off my shirt just because it's quite hot. I'm keeping this channel as real as possible. No need for us to do anything. And yeah, so let's just go straight to the business of today. So let's, you know how I usually do it. I really just basically mark out the first week of the first day of the week, so which is Monday, 4th of November. Even though you are watching this and this was not last week, no problem, because you are still going to learn a lot. This was election week, a lot really happened, so make sure to stick around to the end of this video. So basically, let's look at the weekly candle and see how this week actually look like from the higher time frame perspective. How does it look? What does it actually look like? Was it a bearish week or a bullish week? So you can see that it was a bearish week, and we went into this point, we went into this gap here. This is not a fair value gap, but basically a weekly opening gap, and I was calling this even last week. If you go and watch the last week review, I'll try to put it here. I'll also put in the description. Watch the last week review, you'll see that I talked about price coming here. So that's why you should watch this video to the end, where I will forecast the next week again, so you actually have an idea of where price is coming to next week. So we called here and price went straight here this week. So I'm not going to talk about next week or what I'm looking at forward, but let's look at backwards, because I want to know how price behaved before. That's how technical analysis is from, when you're able to know how price used to behave in the past. So basically, this is Monday. I've marked it out. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can find swing trades this week first of all, before we now go and look for smaller trades. So if we're looking for swing trades this week, and we already know that price is coming down here since I called it since last week, basically we'll come and look for a sell swing trade, which we would have gotten around here, but it's on the 4 hour. It's not really much risk to reward ratio if you are looking at a wide stop loss. So also most of the trades on Euro USD were intraday trades, because the range for last week, unless you were able to catch this sell, which was because of the election. I think since Donald Trump won, dollar was getting a bit stronger, and it dropped. I think there was a news that day as well, so it really dropped that day. So So most of the trades were inter-day trades. That means the trades that were taken within the day. So let's go and check out those trades now. We'll start from Monday. So quite simple. We'll go to Monday, and I live stream this trade. So if you don't know about my live stream, I do live streams every single morning trading ICT London session silver bullets, which is a 1 hour time window from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. But it has changed, and I'll show you guys something. It changed and we got a loss because I didn't notice that the time has actually changed. So the time is 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. New York time, but in Nigerian time is 8 to 9, but it has changed now because of daylight savings time, and it's now 8, it's now 9 to 10. So that's why you should put New York time on your chart if you are trading this strategy, which is a 1 hour time window strategy, which means that your setup will form within that 1 hour time window. Most times it forms within that 1 hour time window. That means that doesn't mean you should not hold the trade beyond that time. It just means that the setup usually, the fair value gap you'll be entering at is within 9 to 10. It's within 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. New York time. So after setting that on your chart, basically you just have to come and with this indicator, these market sessions, if you can't find it, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp. You'll be able to get it. So it's a free indicator basically. So it just marks it out for me. So if you see it in Nigerian time, if you look down, it's 9 o'clock. If you look here, it's 10 o'clock. But when I was live streaming, I forgot. Not like I forgot, because throughout last week it was like that. I think when we get to November, that's when the time shift changes. So we see basically because of the wrong time, I took a sell here and it went down, and it actually went up. But let's forget about that and let's look at the main setup, which formed around 9:30. So you can see basically it was a short scalping move. If you are looking at the price moving like this, it's a bullish structure. Then we have a shifting market structure around here. Have a shifting market structure. Then we have our fair value gap entry. We enter for a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is very good. I can also see another opportunity in the afternoon in case you missed the morning opportunity. You can see there was a market structure shift here. Then we have what is our key for entry. This is fair value gap. So we have our fair value gap here. Then what do? You place your sell limit here. So we place your sell limit, and that's what one winning trade for the week. Let's say you got this loss and you lost let's say $10. If you are looking for 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, you would have made $20 here, and guess what? You would have covered your loss and made extra profit just with that trade. So that's a good one on Monday. So let's move the line to Tuesday. So Tuesday 12 a.m. start here. On Tuesday we actually got this trade and it was a win. So at 10:30 we had a shifting market structure here, retracement into a fair value gap, and you just buy, put your stop loss below here, and you get another win. So how much do we have now? On Monday we lost one, we won one, and we're up what? We're up $10 now, because this one we lost $10 here, we won $20, so we're up $10. So now we won $20 here again, using 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, or you can still use 3. We're just keeping it realistic. 2-to-1 ratio, that means we're up $30 now for the week just by risking $10. So that will be a good run for the day. Let's say you missed the morning trade, there's still a possible entry in the afternoon. If you look here, there was a fair value gap here, just around here. For a retracement entry, you put your retrace. When price retrace, you enter there and you aim high. So hopefully your stop loss doesn't get hit. But that's why this trade, there's a chance that your stop loss might be hit because of this week, unless your stop loss was very wide. So that's why one winning trade for the day is not enough. So that was it for Tuesday. Let's move the line to, so this is Wednesday now. What happened on Wednesday? Wednesday I took this trade myself and it was a loss. So why was Wednesday a loss? That was because of the range. It was a ranging day, so there's no problem. Your strategy can give you a loss, no problem. So we got one loss on Wednesday, no problem. So you can see this was election day, so that's why it came down. Like it was a lot. So on Wednesday, that means how many winning trades do we have so far in this week? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and that on Wednesday was a loss. so no problem. You're already like in huge profit already for the week. Then let's now go to what we're going to Thursday now, because Wednesday was a ranging day. Why did I say it's a ranging day? Because it moved sideways. If you look at this now, it just moved sideways. It didn't move up, it didn't move down like yesterday. So it moved sideways. So we now go to what? Wednesday. So in Wednesday, this was London session. There was not really much action on London session, because you can see it was just consolidating. So what we just have to do is wait for the afternoon. In the afternoon session, we have our breaking market structure here, or shifting market structure, whatever you call it. Then we have our fair value gap here. Enter the fair value gap, put your stop loss below the low, and you see we got up to 2.5 risk to reward ratio, and we're just aiming for 2 risk to reward ratio. So that's another win on Thursday. So let's go to Friday ASAP, not to waste much time. So on Friday, we had a shift in market structure here. So you would have just gotten a short entry, like a very fast, if you are fast enough, if you are not greedy enough, sorry. Yeah, so you have gotten up to almost 2 risk to reward ratio, 1.9. That's if your entry was very precise, you have gotten 1.9 risk to reward ratio. And let's say, for example, being realistic, you got stopped out. You had another opportunity in the afternoon, because you have seen the real direction now, that there's a break shift in market structure here. Then there is a fair value gap here. Then you just have to enter for the sell, which I did enter at the sell there. So you can get up to 2 weeks to reward ratio. You can see this was a 2 point something, but it went up to what, 4.5 weeks to reward ratio, 4.5 weeks to reward ratio. So let's try to count how many wins were in the day and how many weeks to reward ratio we got. So let's assume while aiming for 2, but we got this 1 win. So let's calculate that as $20. Even though it went up to 4 weeks to reward ratio, let's say 1, that's $20. We got another win here on Thursday, which was another one, which is $40. Then minus this one, which is minus $10, which is $30 now. Then we got another win here, that's plus $20, which is $50. Then we got another one here, which is plus another win again, 70 plus 20 again, which is how much? 70 plus 20, that's $90 again. Yeah, so that was it for the week. Then that was Friday. So you can see we had another minus, that's minus 90, that's $80. So these were just 2 weeks to reward ratio, but you can see most of them went up to 3, went up to 4 weeks to reward ratio. So those were the trades on Euro USD for last week, the most prominent ones that you would have taken. Most of you, if you have taken if you took any of these trades last week, make sure to drop it in the comment section, let others know. So I'll do a quick look on XCU USD, that's gold, because gold was also nice last week. So if you took any of these trades on gold, let me know in the comment section. After I check out gold, I'm going to do a weekly review and a weekly forecast, like what we're expecting for next week. Okay, so this is gold chart. So we'll mark out Monday. Let's look at the weekly candle and see how this week looked like on Monday. We went down and filled this other block. We filled this fair value gap on the weekly. If you check the last week forecast as well, I predicted that we're going to fill that fair value gap. So go and check it so you know that what I'm saying is right. So that's why you should check out. You should wait to the end to see the next forecast for the next week. So this is gold basically, and let's go to the lower time frame, 15 minutes. I think most traders, their entries usually be on 15 minutes. Even people that swing trades gold, and you can still see entries on 15 minutes. You can see I've already marked out these things already. Most of the trades are the ones I took. So let's start from Monday. On Monday was a ranging day, as you can see, it just went sideways. This is entire Monday. So let's go to Tuesday. We'll carry this line and put it here, which is Tuesday. So what happened on Tuesday? Tuesday was an opportunity which I didn't take because it was election day in the United States. So we'll be talking about that later on and what things to expect. So we had our shift to market structure here. Then if you entered here, maybe you would have probably lost, but we didn't trade on Wednesday because you can see election they made everything to range, then they finally dropped. So that's why being patient in the market is very important. So this Wednesday now, we went on Wednesday and I caught this trade live. Somebody also took this trade and he made some money, shared it in the group. So make sure you join the community as well so you can see these trades that we take. So you can see on Wednesday, we had our shift in market structure. We entered at an order block. There's also a fair value gap here. It gave us up to how many weeks to reward ratio? Now it gave up to 6 weeks reward ratio, but we just went for 2. So this was my favorite trade on Thursday. I milked this trade to like the okay, this Wednesday, still Wednesday in the afternoon. So in the afternoon Wednesday, I don't know why this is here, but there was no possible trade there. There was no trade there. So this was my favorite trade for the week. If you have your favorite trade for the week, make sure to let everybody know in the comment section as well. So on Thursday, we had the shift in market structure here. At our time, all the trades were taken. You see that it's within 9 o'clock, within 10 o'clock, around that morning session, London session. Because once you get a win in the morning, there's no need to try to overdo in the afternoon. So you can see we have our shift in market structure. We have the fair value gap down here, so which gave us a possible entry, and I milk, and there was all this point was a daily fair value gap. So it was a point that I know that price wants to go and fill. So that's why I had the confidence to hold this trade for up to, I held it for 4.8 weeks to reward ratio. I held it, I took it. You can check the live stream on this channel. You'll see that. I think I'll drop the link for that live stream in the comment section, so you'll see it as well. Then on Friday there was also a small win here. So there was also a small win here. We had a shift in market structure, fair value gap, and entry. If you want to see like a proper breakdown of the strategy and everything, make sure to check the live stream. There's a playlist for my live stream. Check the YouTube channel. If you see playlist and you see live trading, you see how the proper executions are. But I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I don't want to go over how the entry was and every single bit of the entry. But I'm just telling you guys that it's very simple. I just wait for the time, 9 o'clock Nigerian time. Then I just wait for a 15-minute shift in market structure. Let's say price has been trending downwards like this. Once it's 9 o'clock and I see price take out this high, then I just wait for a retracement to a fair value gap and buy. So very simple. That's what happened here. As you can see, let me just draw it here. So I think I can carry. If I can carry this thing here, you can see what is that not exactly what happened? Exactly what happened. The same thing. Let me carry this here now. Can you see this? Can you see? I drew it outside this, but you can see it's exactly the same thing that happened. Exactly the same thing that happens. So very simple. So I go depth into teaching all this in my private mentorship. So you can join. Check the link description. Join the private mentorship or join the free community as well. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video, drop comments your favorite pair or what you didn't really like about the video or what you loved about the video. Tomorrow the video for the prop you can see the real trades I took, like the actual ones I picked, because there was a lot. I can't take all of them, so I picked some trades. You can see them. You can see how much I risked, the profit I made, the psychology behind the trade and all that in the in my challenge video. So that's the weekly profit challenge video. So until pass the account, until I get the payouts, you guys are going to see how everything is done there. So I'll see you guys next week. Make sure to go over your journal. If you don't have a trading journal, you can use simple Telegram. Screenshot your charts before you enter the trade, after you enter the trade, put it, go through it, see what's working, see which is your most profitable pair, which is your most profitable days. Check it out, do the work, take it like a business, and you will definitely grow. So I'll see you guys next week Saturday. Peace.